Lenovo LOQ HX processor. Color Lunar Gray. Processor: Intel Core i5-12450HX. Graphics: Nvidia GeForce RTX 2050. 4GB GDDR6. Memory: 16GB DDR5 4800, expandable to 32GB. Storage: 512GB SSD, supports up to 2 M.2 SSDs. Display: 15.6 inches FHD, 144Hz, G-Sync. Camera: HD 720p, with E-shutter, fixed focus. Supports up to 3 independent displays, native display and 2 external monitors via HDMI, USB-C. Keyboard 6-row, multimedia FN keys, numeric keypad. Keyboard backlight white backlight. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad, supports precision touchpad, PTP. Audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC3287 codec. Speakers stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Nahimic audio. Microphone dual microphone array. Battery integrated Li polymer 60 Wh battery, supports Rapid Charge Pro, charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Max battery life. Mobile Mark 25 to 5.2 hours local video, 1080p, playback at 150 nits, 6.9 hours. Connectivity, network, Gigabit Ethernet, 1x RJ45, supports Wacom LAN. WLAN plus Bluetooth, 2, 3, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX2 by 2 Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.2, M2 card.